started supporting on the job again on these Chinese stores, which people do refer to as Turkish store. But to me, most of all of them are Chinese stores. We've been doing this work for almost more than 7 years now. I think, yeah, 8 years now. But there's a common problem with these stores, which actually make people call me to service their doors, but I've been cautioning people, I don't like your money, taking your money for a simple thing that you could have avoided. You see over here, there's a slot over here, which actually handles one of the locks of these doors. So normally what people do is there's a lot of dirt accumulating over this side, which I've been warning people or cautioning people against it. If you don't take off that dirt over there, very soon you'll be calling me to take your money, which I don't want to take your money. So with this one here, I kind of have to open this door up and service the whole engine and the lugs over here, all because of that thing over there. Yeah, and there is a defect. I don't know what happened whilst the door was being fixed. So even though this door was a new one installed, but locking it has some challenge due to, I don't know how or whatever happened. So as you see, opening it becomes very difficult, all because of how it was being installed. So you just don't want to call in anybody to do this installation for you. You seek an expert in installing these doors and you have a peaceful life. Now I'm still on it, trying to to get this thing done because of the stiffness, and even if putting oil and whatever inside. So I have to take my time and check for whatever is wrong with this door. So with this, I noticed that even after closing it, this isn't perfectly aligning. This isn't perfectly aligning over there. So this flame has some kind of deformation on it. So that's how come when you lock this door, you still have challenges opening it up. So it's going to be a very tedious one, but since I'm already here, I have to take care of everything. I'm still on it. You see, this is a new door, but look at how rusty it is. So you just don't want to go out in the market and buy anything that you see being advertised as a Turkish door or whatever. See, it's a new door, all right, but look, all the painting came peeling off. It has this thing, they call it Paladin. I think I saw Paladin over there, but mind you, there are lots of fake ones among them. So you just don't want to buy it. Yeah, it was supposed to be here. You don't want to buy this thing. So you seek an expert in getting one of these. Yeah. Once again, I'm Mutadin Safwahine, have a lot of expertise on these doors and other security doors. So fingerprint, whatever, if you get locked, yeah, I can. One of the services that we do provide is to when you get yourself stuck inside this door, yeah, which people mostly do when they misplace their keys. So I want to caution you with this kind of keys. You see, this thing is plastic. It will easily break off. Yeah, but some of them that I've noticed over the year, the replacement keys that I've been using, they do have this side being metallic. So with that one, you are somehow safe. But with this, it can easily break off. So mind you, when you're closing it, it's very stiff. Like you cannot lock it well. You want to take your time before you lock it. You don't want to force it, because if there's a challenge over here, this thing will definitely break up and you have no option but to call me to service your door, which I don't want your money. I don't want your money. That's why I'm doing this video. But if you have any challenge with these doors, especially when you misplace your keys, you want to get out, even with that one, you have to prove to me that you are the true owner of the door. If not, I like fixing things. I don't like breaking into things. Yeah, but we only do it when the need arises. So this has been Otada Disappointment once again, and hope to see you with any tips that I'll be giving out very soon. So stick to my side, and you know a lot about these Chinese doors. Out.